On a nice Saturday, we decided to come to Morris Camp. Une belle journée. Samedi, on est décidé de venir à notre camp, Morris Camp. Puis ça, c'est en arrière. La rivière Great Chazy et oh, the Great Chazy is high. But all the ice is gone. Toute la glace est partie. So, in the summer, this is like you can walk across. L'été, tu peux traverser 5, 2, 12 pieds, 2 to 3 feet. Somebody wrote, nothing is impossible with God. Rien n'est pas possible avec le Dieu. Well, look at it over here. I swear these rapids are, you can literally walk across. It's like ankle deep. Well, about a foot deep. L'été, tu peux traverser 5, 1 pied. If I fall in here, I end up in Lake Champlain. She's telling me, see, je me noie puis je suis dessus, Lac Champlain. Oh, regarde les canards. Look at the geese. I wonder if they think I have something to eat. Quand j'ai de la bouffe. I don't know if you can see them. Alright, bye from Morris Camp. Salut to Morris Camp.